Hey everyone, Bhavna here from Lambda Test. I'm back with this month's product update, and there is a lot of exciting stuff to unpack from AI native enhancements to new automation and analytics capabilities. So let's dive right in. Let's start with the big one. Credits are now live in Lambda Test. This is now the primary method for utilizing AI native features across Lambda Test products. Whether you are a free or paid user, you'll get complimentary credits to explore the AI features, and you can buy more anytime right from the billing page. Admins can easily track credit usage, check transaction, and even set soft and hard limits to control consumption across the organization, so there are no surprises. For complete info about this, see the documentation link below in the description. Under app automation, we've introduced AI native Smart Heal on Lambda Test. Locator failures can break tests and slow releases. AI native Smart Heal automatically fixes locators during runtime and gives AI suggestion if it can't. The result: stable tests, faster releases, and reliable CI/CD pipelines on real devices. I've also made a short tutorial on this. Click the I button above to watch and learn more. Now let's move on to some of the most exciting update. KNI just got a major boost with the new releases. First up is mobile app override support for testants. You can now automate your KNI testants directly through your CI/CD pipelines like GitHub's Actions or Jenkins. Simply use the API to trigger test executions, define regions, retries, or even override apps dynamically with Android and iOS app IDs. This makes it super easy to integrate KNI into your existing DevOps flow and run mobile tests end to end automatically. Next, we've rolled out KNI enhancements to make authoring and managing tests faster and smarter. The new generative authoring feature analyzes your input upfront and builds a full test plan automatically. So you can validate workflows before execution and reduce inaccuracies. You'll also notice the brand new session dashboard, which gives real time visibility into active and QA test session. You can track progress, manage concurrency, and optimize throughput for your team. The next is the network log assertion feature in KNI. Enables you to test and validate the behavior of your application at network layer. This is useful when you need to ensure that API calls, response codes, payloads, or request timings meet expected conditions during your text execution. And finally, we are making KNI more accessible than ever with KNI Freemium. You'll get 2 AI agent sessions, 2 test manager seats, and 30 days of free access, giving your team the perfect way to explore AI testing without limits. So, whether you are scaling test authoring, automating mobile runs, or trying KNI for the first time, these updates makes it more powerful and accessible than ever. In accessibility testing, previously we had accessibility scanning for Android apps. Now we are excited to introduce the same in iOS. With Lambda Test Accessibility App Scanner, you can identify accessibility issues directly during real time manual testing on both Android and iOS apps. Just upload your app, launch a manual test session on your device, and start scanning each screen. Next is HyperExecute. HyperExecute has some powerful updates for test feasibility and network debugging. First, MITM support in emulator lets you capture network traffic directly during test runs. By enabling the MITM proxy flag, you can analyze API calls, request response without manual interception. Reports are now smarter too. Retry visibility highlights retry tests clearly, so you can differentiate original runs from repeated attempts and focus on unique outcomes. And with muted test counts and bulk unmute, you can reactivate all muted tests at once, saving time and keeping your suite up to date. Let's move on to Lambda Test Insights, which just got even more powerful. You now have custom notifications scheduling, so you can choose exactly when you want reports, whether that's weekly, monthly, or on a specific day, and have them delivered through your mail, Slack, or Microsoft Teams. No need to check dashboards manually. Your build and test summaries come straight to your workspace. We've also added build insights email notification, giving you automated summaries of build performance, test results, and recurring failures. You can dive into the details from your inbox, helping you detect issues faster and keep stakeholders aligned. That's all for this month's update. Thank you for watching, and don't forget the detailed documentation for all these features along with our update blog